Hello everyone, good day. So this is the continuation of the design we are supposed to complete from the other video I posted. We are supposed to do this other remaining 2 pages. I had to cut the other video short because it was taking longer than I expected. So in this video, I'm going to complete the 2 other pages, other screen this thing. And the comments I was getting, people is requested for it, so I think it's best I do it. It's not even going to take much of our time, so it's something that we can just do quickly and move on for another design. So let's just get to it. First of all, what I have to do is duplicate this page instead of getting another frame from from the frame selections. I will just duplicate this because I'm trying to build another page. To D to duplicate. So the next thing is to delete these things, because when you look at this one, we only want to verify the number. We have selected the country already. We have to verify the number, the country code and stuff. So you have to delete these countries here. Select all of them. Hold shift and click on all of them to delete them once. Click on delete. I've deleted all of them once. We are going to leave this continue because we are from here. You can see there is still a continue button. You still need to continue to the next page. So we are going to leave the continue button. So what we are going to do is change this text to verify your phone number. Instead of choose your country, we change it to verify your phone number. Verify your phone number. Don't mind that it's stepping down. We could just resize it. Hold here and drag till it's verify your phone number. Remember our spacing is 20 by 20. Yeah, we want to make it a 2-line paragraph and not right now, but we want to extend it to make it a bit longer. So what we do is drag this one to this first thing. Yeah, I think this is okay. And the size. This is perfect. The next thing you have to do is get a text to click here. I want the size of this text to be, let's make it 18. Let's make it a type code. This code I'm trying to signify country code. Make sure the spacing is 20. Hold alternate and drag this and duplicate. Make this one the same size, but this one will be phone number. This is the country code and this is the phone number. Change the text to phone. I used to capital letter. Phone number. Use your alternate, check if the spacing is 20. Then the next thing is to get a rectangle tool. This is where we'll be inputting our country code. Draw a rectangle tool. I want the height of this rectangle tool to be, let's say, let's check here. What is the size of this one here? Let's zoom. The size of this one is 30. Let's make this one 30 to 30 and make the width 70. I think we are good to go with this. Drag it up. In this case, I don't want the spacing here to be 20. I want it to be just 10. So hold your alternate while hovering on the next item. Use your arrow on your keyboard to go up till it's 10. In color, I want the color of this of this rectangle to be this, the same thing with the countries. So I will select that. I will select it to be the country. And I want this to have a stroke. I will select stroke. I want strokes to be aligning with the color we selected from the rectangle, but not exact color, but I want it to be from this, to be a similar color. Take this down. So I want the color to be this, and then drag it down a bit. I think this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. Then get a text to make the text to be, let's say 16. Type plus 234. That's our country code here in Nigeria. Plus 234. Drag it to this place. Center. I want the spacing here to be 5. This is 5. I want to reduce the opacity of this color, of this text, of this country code. So I'll just make the opacity to be 70. Yeah, 70 is okay. And then I need to get an icon. The icon here will signify in case if you want to drop down of other country code for other country. So let's remember how we used icon on the beginning of this design. We use our icon plugin. Right click, search for plugins, select phosphor icons. Wait for it to load. You scroll down to drop down icon. Where is that icon? Drop down icon. I think it should be somewhere around here. I saw it earlier before. I designed this design first before I started recording it. So I think I saw it somewhere around. Okay, this is it. I want to make this thing 16 by 16. Zoom it. Drag it and place inside this rectangle. I want to use the Figma alignment system to align it to okay. I want the spacing from here to be 5. It's 5 already. And then I want the opacity to be 70. The opacity here should be 72, just the same as the country code. So we are done with this one. The next is to get the number. The next, what you have to do is get a rectangle 2 again. Draw your rectangle. Draw a rectangle. I want the height to be 30. Width to be 100. Let's use 100. I think 100 is too small. The width to be 120. Yeah, 120 is okay. Or why not we extend the width to be the same thing with the phone number? Or a bit longer. Yeah, this is okay. Then change the color of the width to the same thing with the code. Let's look. I want the stroke to be same color with this one too. So I will just copy this color code. You can see and paste it here. Control V. Yes, just like that. I want the spacing to be 10. Next thing we have to do is get your text to type in a random number to complete it. I'll just use this number 8147927288. Remember, there we made the opacity to be 70, so I'm going to do the same thing here. I will change the opacity of this to be 7 to be 7th. And press it well. I want the spacing from here to here to be 5. I think this is okay. Just like that, we are done with this page, with the second page. I told you guys that this ones will take less time because it's not that difficult to do compared to this first page. This second page, let me rename it. Second page. Then Control D. That is for the next page. Remember, we are doing 3 pages. This one is input verification code because once you choose country, you put your number. If you press continue, the next thing is to ask you for a code to verify the phone number you just typed in. So here is input the verification code. Don't worry, we will resize it to make it balance well. Yes, it's standing out now. So we want this text to be shorter, and at the same time, we want to input our phone number. So I will just select this text from here, delete it, and then from here, I will type in the phone number we just inputted. 8, let me start from plus 234, excuse me, 234, give a space, 8147927288. And then I will select it again. This is just an easy way to do something like this. I will select it again and change the size from 13 to 15. And then change the color and make it darker than the other one. So it will stand out that this is signifying the number that we inputted. I'll make it darker than other that is there, but not too dark. I think this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. Next thing we have to do is to delete these things. Let me out zoom it so you can see what I'm doing. Is to delete these things, this phone number and code. You delete it and put in a bar to input the 4 codes that will be sent to you. So get your rectangle to draw a rectangle. I want the height to be 6 and the width to be 50 by 60. I think this is okay. And I want to do the same I want to give the same properties I gave to this one. So I will change the color to this and also give it a stroke. Also give it a stroke. I want the color of the stroke to be the same thing with these ones. Copy this. My laptop is beginning to hang a bit. That's because I've been on it since this evening. If you check the time, this is midnight already. So I've been on it since like around 10 p.m. Okay, let me first of all align it to start from where others started. I want the spacing from up to be 30. No, I think 30 is too close. I want it to be 40. And I want it to have a corner radius of 10. And then I will duplicate it with your alternate and drag. I want it to have a spacing of 3. Let's do 21, I beg. Control D to have it in 4 places. We're almost done with this design. So the next thing we have to do is to get a text. I don't want to type in codes in all of them, so I'll just type in code in one. Get a text to make it 20. I think 20 is okay. Make it medium. Type in a random number. Let me say 4. 4 is too small. 20 is too small. Let's resize it to be 48, and just change it instead of medium, make it regular. Let me position it and see how it's looking. Yes, it's looking okay. I will reduce the opacity from 100 to like 70. Yeah. That we are done with these designs. Just like that, we are done with this design. So I could have said, let me do the prototype, but for now, I don't want to complicate it with a lot of things. But to do the prototype, matter be correlated. The prototype is actually simple to do. Let me change this to third page. Third page. Like a prototype that will take you from year to year. So let's simply do that. Go to prototype, set year, and drag where it will send you to. Once I click this continue, it will take me to this page. On click, navigate to second page. Let me take this off so you see what I'm doing. Instant, move in. Let's do move in. Move in, ease out. This is good. Then if I click on this, take me to this. On click, the same properties, move in. If I click on this arrow, take me here to this page. Let me take this up. On click, instead of move in, this time I'm moving out. Move out. The same thing is applicable to this one too. This prototype I'm doing is not really necessary. I'm just doing it to show you how it works. But you can actually try it too. You can actually try it. But for now, if as a beginner, I don't think you need to be into prototyping for now. But no knowledge is a waste. You can actually try it. I think this is okay. Then let me play my design. So let's prototype and see what the prototype we did. Let's check it out and see what it looks like. When you click on continue, it takes you to verify your phone number. After verifying your phone number, putting in your phone number, you click on another continue, it will take you to input code. And when you click here, it will take you back. You see, this is just a simple prototype to tell you how prototype work. So I think, yeah, we'll come to an end to this video and this design. See you in next video. We'll design something else. If you have a design idea, you have questions, I can answer you in the comment section. Or you have a design that you want me to design and show you how it's done or look into, you can also drop that in the comment section. Thank you. See you next time, guys. Peace out.